Welcome back to our video series on the features of Google Sheets. In part 3, we will learn how to insert line breaks and alter tabs. For your reference, as you follow along, the task and accompanying steps are listed here. You can also access these helpful tips using the resource linked to the video. Okay, let's begin. The first task we'll learn today is how to insert a line break. As you can see on Sunday, there is a homework block that includes 3 distinct tasks. The first task will be to complete a reading, the second task will be to complete a discussion board post, and the third will be to respond to 2 peers. To make this easier to read, I'm going to insert line breaks. The first step will be to place your cursor where you would like to insert the break. So since I would like an additional line between reading and discussion board post, I will put my cursor here. Next is to press Control and then Enter. Great. So now I have a space between reading and discussion board post. I'd also like a space between the discussion board post and the 2 peer responses. So again, I'll move my cursor in front of the 2, press Control and Enter. Now this box appears as 3 distinct tasks. Next, we will learn to add a tab, rename a tab, and delete a tab. In order to add a tab, you will navigate to the bottom toolbar. In the left-hand corner, you will find a plus icon. When you hover over the plus icon, it will say Add Sheet. That is because when you add a tab, you are also adding a new Google Sheet to your workbook. To rename this tab, you will press the down arrow on the new tab. From the menu, you will choose Rename and type in the name that you desire. To delete a tab, you will go to the down arrow on the tab that you wish to delete, and then you will simply choose Delete from the pop-up menu. Click OK. Finally, we will learn how to duplicate a tab. To duplicate a tab, you will go to the tab that you would like to duplicate and press the down arrow. From the pop-up menu, you will choose Duplicate, and a copy of the tab will appear. Again, you will rename that tab, once you've duplicated and renamed your tab, you can alter it as you see fit. This concludes our tutorial on the features of Google Sheets. If you haven't seen part 1 or 2 of the series, please check it out. You can find the videos on our YouTube page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.